Hi guys, so welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be trying solving 2x2 Rubik's Cube in the fastest time possible. This is going to be quite a tricky video, so to the first attempt. Right, so now it is going to be the first attempt, and as you can see, we have got the stopwatch here. That is going to count us down. So yeah, let's get into the attempt. So 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Oh, that's quite a good time, about 30 seconds. So remember that. So first score, 30 seconds. I'll put it on the screen right now. So yeah, there, 30 seconds, attempt 1. On to the next one. So this is going to be attempt 2. So let's see if we can beat 30 seconds. It's going to be a hard score to beat, but I think we can do it. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Right, yeah, this is going to be hard. 30 seconds was a good score. Right. Oh, done! Oh, I was not expecting that. 21 seconds. I was not expecting that. As you can see, 21 seconds, maybe 20, but got a lucky scramble there, I think. As you can see, all solved. So yeah, on to attempt 3. So this is the third and final attempt. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to beat the score of 21 seconds of attempt 2. And that's going to be really hard to beat, but I'm just going to see if we can beat it. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Right. So, looking good so far. Yeah, looking very good. Oh, looking really good. Can I beat it though? It's really close. Oh, yes! I beat it. Oh, that feels really nice. So, yeah, as you can see, 20 seconds. So, attempt 3 wins. We did get better every time. Solved cube completely, as you can see. So yeah, that is the end of the video. So yeah, bye. See you next video.